My name is Patrice Shaw Brunson. I'm from the Whitehaven Branch Library, and I will be doing story time, reading story time. The name of this book is Anxious Ninja. And Anxious Ninja is about his anxiety. And do you know what anxiety means? Anxiety is when you get nervous and afraid, okay? So let's start reading Anxious Ninja. Anxious Ninja just needed to make it over the hill to win. He ran and ran until he reached the finish line. First place, as you see. Positive Ninja, this is Positive Ninja, came in second and said, "You're going to crush it this weekend at the Ninja Warrior race." And so this is Positive Ninja. He said, "Great job." But that was the problem. When he came to practice, no one could touch Anxious Ninja. He was the best. See him tuck off? But when it was time for the actual competition, his hands would get sweaty. His heart would race. His mind kept thinking about events he couldn't control. What if I lose? Would everyone think I'm a failure? When his mind drifted to winning or losing, his performance would start to sink. And his anxiety would cause him to underperform. Now, I'm quite sure this has happened to some of you all. Gritty Ninja recognized the pattern. And this is Gritty Ninja. He said, "It's normal to feel anxiety. We all do. When I was training for Ninja Warrior Triathlon, everyone expected me to win. And do you know what happened?" asked Gritty Ninja. "I came in fourth because I let my anxiety affect my performance. I started saying things like, could I win? Would I win? I was thinking about the things I couldn't control. But when I learned how to handle my anxiety, I performed better than ever before," said Gritty Ninja. So this is Anxious Ninja. He said, "How did you learn to do that?" Gritty Ninja said, "I'll show you." When you get anxious, just remember the 3 R methods. 1. Recognize when you are thinking about situations you can't control. 2. Relax by taking a few slow, deep breaths like this. 3. Refocus with a positive mantra like, everything would be okay as long as I try my best. That weekend at the competition, Anxious Ninja lined up with the other runners. He had one goal in mind. His focus was at an all-time high. And when the gun blasts, signaling the start of the race, Anxious Ninja felt good. As you see, he took off. As the race went on, he had a clear lead, but then with the only 2 turns of the race to go, his thoughts began to shift to the finish line. One thought, my mom and dad are going to be so proud of me. The second thought, but what if I lose? What would they say? Just then, he can hear other runners catching up to him. And just like that, he lost his lead. He needed to remember what Gritty Ninja taught him, and fast. What was it that his friend said? Remember the 3 R's? Got it. Recognize, that's number 1. 2, relax. 3, refocus. And that's what he did. He recognized and became aware of where his thoughts were. And then he took off, as you see. He relaxed by taking several deep breaths. Then he refocused. All his energy was on the present and what he could control, his effort. Work hard. Work hard, he repeated to himself. Work hard. He sounded like a broken record, but this was his mantra. And before he knew it, he cleared the finish line. With flying colors, as you see, he was so excited. From that day on, Anxious Ninja still experienced anxiety, but the difference was now he knew how to control it instead of letting it control him. Remember, the 3 R's could be your secret weapon against anxiety. 1, recognize. 2, relax. 3, refocus. And thank you for reading with me. I hope you enjoyed Anxious Ninja. See you next time.